Hey, it's Maggie from Juma, and today I'm going to show you project knowledge and how to build it. This is where you set up all the context that makes your project or assistant actually useful. So when you create a project, the knowledge you add is the backbone. It's what Juma references every time someone starts a chat inside that project. Let me walk you through what you can add. First, it's the info. This is the big system prompt. The instructions, persona, goals, rules, everything the AI needs to know about how to behave in this project. You can write this yourself or, and this is really cool, you can use the magic wand feature. Now I'm going to quickly show you how it works. I'm going to open this random project over here that I haven't used much. And I'm going to open the info. I'm going to delete this whole thing and paste this very simple prompt. I'm instructing the assistant that its primary role is to assist in creating exceptional press releases that effectively communicate important news and so on. Now, this is the magic wand button. Juma is going to gather workspace analytics, analyze the context and the structure, and create this very good system prompt for me. Of course, you can delete some things, you can add other things, and then save it. And now our assistant is very well instructed in what do we want it to do. I'm going to go back to the project I showed you first. You saw my big system prompt that I have over here with all of the things that I want Juma to keep in mind or this assistant to keep in mind. And then I'm going to click on data sources. First, you can upload files and images. Here you can add brand guidelines, target audience profiles, customer data, templates, all of that can go inside. For files, you can upload PDFs, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on. And for images, you can upload JPEGs, PNGs, SVGs, and so on. You can also connect your knowledge through our integrations. This means that Juma can pull context directly from Notion, Google Drive, SharePoint, OneDrive, or HubSpot. And you can also add web pages. Just paste the URL over here, and it will get saved as a context. You can even add chats. If you've had a really good brainstorming session in a chat, you can add that whole chat as a context for the AI to keep in mind. Next, I'm going to close this data sources. And next we have the brand voice. You can add your voice, tone, and style guidelines here. This will keep everything on brand. Then you can add examples. As you know, the AI works greatly by example, so you can add examples of ideal outputs. This will greatly improve the quality of the responses. And if you show the AI model what good looks like, it will match that. And finally, over here, you can connect some automations. You can automate over 1,000 workflows with NA10, but I've got a separate video about that, so I'll link that in the article. Now, let me give you some advice on what makes good context. First, relevance. Only include information that the AI actually needs. Ask yourself, will this help the AI to do its job better? If not, just leave it out. Second one is to keep it current. Regularly review and update your project knowledge. Remove the outdated stuff. If you connect files through integrations, you can click on these refresh buttons and your files will get automatically refreshed. Third, organize strategically. Use clear file names, structure information logically, make it easy to find and update. Fourth, avoid contradictions. Don't upload conflicting guidelines. If you have multiple versions of something, just choose one source of truth. And last but not least, test and refine. When building an assistant, it's better if you start with core context, test the AI's response, add more only if needed, and remove what's not being used. Basically, the quality of your context beats the quantity. And if you don't want to create confusion, just don't upload many conflicting sources because they hurt performance, and don't include bad data. So that's project knowledge. Set it up thoughtfully, keep it clean, and then your whole team can enter your shared projects and reuse this knowledge inside the chats they create inside. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.